If you're running into a Twitter or X OAuth login error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest ways to fix it on a desktop PC or laptop browser. This issue usually happens because your browser gets confused between twitter.com and x.com, or because old cookies and site data are causing the login request to fail. The good news is, you can usually fix it in just a few minutes. If this guide helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open a new tab and go directly to x.com. Make sure you are logged into the correct account that you want to use. This is important because OAuth errors often happen when your browser is signed into one domain but not the other. After that, open another tab and go to twitter.com, which is the older domain. If twitter.com asks you to log in, sign in with the exact same account. You want both domains to recognize the same active session, because that helps prevent redirect problems and account mismatches during the login process. Next, if the error is still happening, you need to clear the cookies and site data for both domains. You do not need to wipe your whole browser history. Just target the broken site. While you're on the page that's giving you the error, click the padlock icon or the site icon on the left side of the address bar. Then choose Site Settings or Cookies and Site Data. From there, look for any stored data and remove it using the trash can icon. After that, go to x.com, open the padlock again, and clear the cookies there too. Then repeat the same process for twitter.com. This step is one of the most effective fixes because corrupted cookies can make the authentication loop fail over and over. Now, if you're still seeing the OAuth problem, try using a completely different browser. Chrome, Edge, and Brave all use the same Chromium base, so they can sometimes carry over the same issue. A better option is to use Firefox, which is independent and often avoids browser-specific redirect conflicts. Open Firefox, go to the site you're trying to log into, and try the sign-in process again. If it asks for your X credentials, type them manually instead of using autofill. Manual entry can help bypass stuck autofill data or bad saved sessions. If none of those steps work, there's a chance the problem is not on your side at all. Sometimes the website you're trying to sign into has not updated its authentication setup properly, and it may still be using an outdated endpoint instead of the current OAuth flow. In that case, check whether X is having a wider outage by visiting Downdetector. If X itself is working fine, then the issue is probably on the website side, and you may need to wait for their team to update the login button or fix their OAuth integration. So to recap, the main fixes are: make sure you're logged into both x.com and twitter.com with the same account, clear the cookies for both domains, try a separate browser like Firefox, and check whether the platform itself is broken. These steps solve most X and Twitter OAuth errors on desktop browsers. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, browser fixes, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.